Hello, my dear students. Good morning. I hope you all completed that question answers and exercise B and exercise C question answers in your fair notebook, and exercise B in your textbook, and exercise C think and answer in your textbook only. Okay. Now today I am going to start worksheet. In worksheet, scene passage 1, a little boy called Neil had a lovely dream. In his dream, he flew like a bird. He saw blue rivers and green fields, huge mountains and narrow valleys. The trees, houses, that peoples and cars are looking very small from the sky. Neil Armstrong was born on August 5, 1913. When he was 6 years old, his father took him on a ride in a small plane for the first time. The plane could carry only about 12 people. This is the passage. Now answer the following questions. What did Neil dream about? Neil had a lovely dream. In his dream, he flew like a bird. When did Neil fly for the first time? Neil was 6 years old. His father took him on a ride in a small plane for the first time. What did he see from the sky? What did he see from the sky in his dream? Neil saw blue rivers and green fields, huge mountains and narrow valleys. The trees, the houses, that people and cars are looking very small and from the sky in his dream. Write these opposites of these: wide, narrow, big, small. Then write plural words from the passage: trees and houses. Now come to the scene passage 2. Scene passage 2. How was Neil Armstrong different from the other children? When Neil was 11 years old, he worked hard and he earned two for flying lesson on his 16th birthday. He got his pilot lessons. In many countries, young people are not even allowed to drive car at 16. What did he become and he grew older? Neil became a pilot and astronaut. What was the cost of flying? Flying lessons cost was $9 an hour. When did he get his license? Pilot license. On 16th birthday, Neil got his pilot license. Write opposites of these: slow, fast, spent, earn. Write past tense of these: join, joined, get, got, train, trained. Now come to the question bank. You have to do this all in your worksheet only. Answer the following question banks. Questions. What was extraordinary about Neil getting pilot license? When Neil was 11, he worked hard and earned to pay for a flying lessons. On his 16th birthday, he got his pilot license. In many countries, young people are not even allowed to drive car. Write briefly, what do you feel is the most admirable quality in Neil Armstrong? Neil was ambitious and worked hard to achieve his ambition to fly. He cherished his dreams and never give up. He did not trouble his parents in trying to fulfill his dream. Was it foolish for Neil Armstrong to work towards a dreams to fly? What do we learn from his? It was definitely not foolish. He knew that he could not fly like a bird, but realized that he could fly in airplanes and get the same view of things below. We learned that however impossible dreams might seem, they can be achieved through hard work and परजर्वेंस. ओके, नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन में ऐसा है, आपको ऐसा लगता है नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग फुलिश लगता है? नहीं, वो फुलिश नहीं था. वो अपना जो ड्रीम था उसको फिलफिल करने के लिए वो बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया और अपना एम्बिशन को वो कभी पीछे हटने नहीं दिया. भले वो बर्ड की तरह फ्लाई कर नहीं सकता है, बट बर्ड की तरह व्यू वो देख सकता है. और सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में है नील का एम्बिशन था अचीव, उसका फ्लाई का जो एम्बिशन था उसको अचीव करने के लिए वो जैसे हार्ड वर्क किया और अपने पेरेंट्स को वो ट्रबल नहीं दिया, उसे हमें फॉलो करना चाहिए. और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग वाज. अभी हमारे इंडिया में 18 ईयर्स ओल्ड होने तक हमें 2 व्हीलर्स या 4 व्हीलर्स का लाइसेंस नहीं मिलते. उतने में नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग जो है उन्होंने अपने 16th ईयर बर्थडे के दिन ही उनको पायलट लेसन मिला. सो ही इज़ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. These are question bank answers. You have to do this all work in your worksheet. Thank you.